Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create quick to-do list with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. So you know that staying organized is easier than when you have a clear to-do list. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate, refine, and prioritize tasks for better productivity. Here I'm gonna show you how to create quick to-do list with some points along with example prompt. So let's get started. Number 1. Generate a basic to-do list. Here you have to ask ChatGPT to create a to-do list for your day, work, or a specific project. It helps structure tasks based on urgency and importance. Example prompt: create a to-do list for my workday, including emails, meetings, and content creation. Here is your result. ChatGPT will provide you the best result. The next one, number 2. Refine and prioritize tasks. You can ask ChatGPT to organize tasks by priority, categories, or suggest which ones to tackle first. Example prompt: sort my to-do list into high, medium, and low priority tasks. Here is the result. Number 3. Expand on task for clarity. If a task feels vague, ChatGPT can break it down into actionable steps. Example prompt: break down, write a blog post into smaller steps to help me get started. You can see the best result. And the last one, number 4. Set time estimates and deadlines. You have to improve productivity by assigning estimated time frames to each task, keeping you on track. Example prompt: suggest time estimates for my task based on difficulty and efforts required. So, here is the result. You'll find the best result from this ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, you can create a structured to-do list that help you stay focused and efficient. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.